Can you really earn $150 a day just by typing names? This simple, flexible opportunity is gaining massive popularity and is perfect for anyone wanting to make money from home. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to get started and succeed. All you need is a computer or smartphone and internet access. Whether you're a student, parent, or looking for extra income, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips. 1. Understand the basics of name typing jobs. Name typing jobs are simple tasks where you type out names for databases, transcription services, or even marketing campaigns. Companies and individuals need these services to organize their records, create personalized materials, or prepare mailing lists. You'll typically receive a list of names or audio files that need to be typed out accurately and quickly. While the job might sound straightforward, it's important to understand the requirements. Accuracy and attention to detail are critical. Some platforms may provide training or templates to make your work easier. You don't need to be a tech expert to excel. Basic typing skills and a commitment to quality are enough. 2. Equip yourself with the right tools. To succeed in name typing, having the right tools can make all the difference. A reliable computer or smartphone, a stable internet connection, and basic word processing software are essential. Consider using tools like Google Docs or Microsoft Word for efficiency. If you're handling audio files, invest in good quality headphones to ensure accuracy. For those aiming to improve their speed, free online typing courses or apps can help you hone your skills. Create a dedicated workspace that's free of distractions to boost productivity. While the startup costs are minimal, ensuring you have the right setup can enhance your performance and increase your earnings. 3. Find reputable platforms and clients. Not all name typing opportunities are created equal. It's crucial to work with reputable platforms and clients to ensure you get paid fairly for your efforts. Freelancing websites like Fiverr, Freelancer, and Upwork often list name typing gigs. Alternatively, specialized transcription or data entry companies may offer similar tasks. Research each platform's reputation, fees, and payout methods before committing. Beware of scams. Legitimate platforms will never ask you to pay upfront fees to access jobs. Look for reviews and testimonials from other freelancers to gauge a platform's reliability. Building a strong profile with positive reviews can help you attract more clients over time. 4. Set realistic goals and expectations. Earning $150 a day is achievable, but it's important to set realistic goals based on your skills and available time. Start by assessing how many names you can type accurately in an hour. Break down your daily earning goal into smaller, manageable tasks. For instance, if you earn $5 per 100 names typed, you'll need to complete 3,000 names to hit your target. While this might seem daunting at first, consistency and practice will improve your speed and efficiency. Remember, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Your earnings will depend on the effort you put in. Track your progress and adjust your strategies to maximize your productivity. 5. Hone your typing skills. Speed and accuracy are the cornerstones of success in name typing. Improving your typing skills can significantly boost your earning potential. Practice regularly using free typing tools like typing.com or Keyboard. These platforms offer exercises to help you increase your words per minute rate while minimizing errors. Set aside dedicated time each day to focus on speed drills and accuracy tests. Monitor your progress and celebrate small milestones to stay motivated. Even minor improvements in your typing speed can have a big impact on your overall earnings. Consider learning keyboard shortcuts and optimizing your workstation for comfort and efficiency. 6. Build a portfolio and client relationships. As you complete name typing jobs, build a portfolio to showcase your skills and reliability. A well-documented portfolio can include client testimonials, sample work, or performance metrics like accuracy rates. Share your portfolio on freelancing platforms to attract more clients and higher-paying gigs. Strong client relationships are also key to success. Deliver quality work on time and communicate effectively. Respond promptly to messages and be open to feedback for continuous improvement. Satisfied clients are more likely to offer repeat work or recommend you to others. Building a solid reputation takes time, but it's an investment that pays off in the long run. 7. Scale up your efforts. Once you've mastered the basics of name typing, look for ways to scale up your efforts. Take on larger projects, negotiate higher rates, or explore related opportunities like transcription or data entry. Invest in tools that automate repetitive tasks, such as text expanders or workflow management software. Consider outsourcing smaller tasks to other freelancers to take on more lucrative projects. Diversifying your income streams can also help use your typing skills for other online jobs, like captioning or virtual assistants. Scaling up requires strategic planning, but it can significantly boost your daily earnings. 8. Stay motivated and consistent. Maintaining motivation is crucial for long-term success in name typing. Set daily, weekly, and monthly goals to keep yourself on track. Celebrate milestones, no matter how small, to stay positive and focused. Create a routine that includes breaks to avoid burnout and maintain productivity. Surround yourself with a supportive community of fellow freelancers to share tips and encouragement. Stay updated on industry trends and continuously seek ways to improve your skills. Consistency is key. Showing up every day and putting in the work will yield results over time. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with persistence, it's well within your reach. 9. Explore automation and tools. Leverage technology to enhance your productivity and earnings. Tools like Grammarly can help ensure accuracy, while text expanders can speed up repetitive typing tasks. Explore software that transcribes audio files to text, allowing you to focus on editing and formatting rather than starting from scratch. These tools not only save time, but also improve the quality of your work. Many platforms offer free trials, so test different options to find what works best for you. Incorporating automation into your workflow can help you handle larger volumes of work and meet tight deadlines. As you grow, consider investing in premium tools to further streamline your processes and increase your earning potential. 10. Diversify your income streams. While name typing can be a great source of income, diversifying your online work can create financial stability. Explore related opportunities like data entry, transcription, or virtual assistants to broaden your skill set. Use your existing portfolio to showcase your versatility and attract clients from various industries. Having multiple income streams not only increases your earnings, but also protects you from market fluctuations. Stay open to learning new skills and adapting to emerging trends in the online job market. Diversification is a smart way to ensure long-term success and maximize your potential. With a proactive approach, you can build a thriving online career. Name typing is a simple yet effective way to earn $150 a day or more from anywhere in the world. With the right tools, skills, and mindset, you can turn this opportunity into a reliable income source. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more practical tips on making money online. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your experiences. See you in the next video.